Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Fengling Town is home to the most concentrated Hakka population in Hualien County. In Fengling, the Sixian version of Hakka is the most commonly used language, but people can also understand the Hailu Hakka. The most authentic Hakka village within the East Rift Valley is Changchao, an area where eastern Taiwan's Hakka culture has been best preserved.
花莲县凤林镇是花莲客家人口密度最高的乡镇，当地的客家移民大多来自于新竹以及苗栗地区。四线客话是最常用的语言，海陆客话也能畅通无阻。凤林镇的长桥里，直到今天仍是花东纵谷中最纯的客家庄，当地也保留了许多客家民族珍贵的文化。
Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk About Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Again, very happy to be back here this month again for Let's Talk About Hakka. And let's get into another place we want to take you, 叫做凤林镇 in Hualien County.
花蓮縣鳳林鎮。
So, yeah, this is in Hualien County, a township known as Fengling Township.And I heard there's a lot of Hakka there, 很多客家人是不是？
冇錯，一片係客家人口青島嘅一個鄉鎮的東部地區。
青島是什麼意思？
就是最多的。
密度很高的地方就对了。Okay, it has the highest density of Hakka population in Hualien County. So that means there must be a lot of great, yummy, delicious, 喝价好吃的这个客家美食了，对不对？
一片當多。
譬如有什麼呢？
像有菜包。
菜包就是 vegetable bun。
錯啦。
還有什麼？
還有個糍粑。
這個就是麻糬嘛，糍粑。OK， peanuts 是不是那邊的也產花生？
飯條當多。
對，飯條就是翻豆的意思，對不對？
嘿，冇錯。
飯條 ，OK, that's peanuts. And also, you know what? This is really cool. If you can take the spiciness of this, it's peeled pepper, 剝皮辣椒。
一當有名，剝皮辣椒嘅當有名。
剝皮辣椒嘅，
剝皮辣椒嘅，
剝皮辣椒嘅，剝皮 that means peeled, and then pepper, 辣椒嘅。
錯。
All right. Aside from all the food, I heard there's also a farm that you can go to in Fengling Township.
冇錯，到鳳林鎮去了嘅時間，就一定做得去一個新光小鳳農場。
新光小鳳農場，它叫做星光兆豐 Farm in Hualien County. And over here, you can visit the farms, forest, and a Euro-style garden for your pleasure. And that does it for today's Let's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.